Welcome back to TriggerPoint. In this video, we're going to be using the TriggerPoint Massage Ball to address the piriformis. Now that piriformis is a smaller muscle below the big glutes. Therefore, this ball being a little bit smaller, we can work a little bit deeper and we can actually influence the piriformis. Now to position here, the leg I'm working, I'm going to bend it up to where my foot's flat on the ground, and then I'm going to take the massage ball and just sort of wedge it right into the center of the glute. Then I'm going to shift my hips into the ball and then switch stance my legs so that ball is underneath my right leg. From here, you're probably going to be right on a tender spot. If you need to move around ever so slightly to find a more tender spot, that's okay, but you probably don't have to move too much. Once you find it, we're going to take a couple of big deep breaths in, so big breath in and try to relax. And then our next move here is going to be to get some motion into the hip. So let's breathe. As you release the breath, let's bring that knee towards the chest and then all the way back down. So we're pitting those tissues down and making that hip move around it. We're going to go through this 4 times. There's 2. There's 3. One more here is 4. Now I'm going to set my foot flat on the ground. I'm going to go through 4 external rotations, or sort of an abduction perhaps. So big breath in. As you relax, try to let that knee fall out as far as you can. All the way to the ground would be great, but if it's too painful, you don't have to go all the way down there. Then as I come back up, I'm going to push my knee across the midline ever so slightly, and then back out. We're going to go through this 4 times as well. There's 2. Be sure you're breathing. Try to keep a neutral spine here as well. There's 3. We have 1 more out, and back in, there's 4. Now for our next move, both feet are flat on the ground. Hands here on the ground. I'm going to do 2 pivots in each direction. And this pivot is just going to be a small motion, kind of like you're stirring yourself, 2 times to the left, and then 2 times to the right. Now, as soon as you're done with that, if you'd like to go through that 1 to 2 more times, that would be perfectly fine. Remember, you don't always have to overdo it to begin with. It may be better to start with 1 pass, and then as you get a little bit more used to it, you could go to 2 or 3 passes. So that's how we would use the TriggerPoint Massage Ball to address the piriformis and the glutes. Give it a shot. Let us know some of your feedback. Let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.